Have you ever wondered how you should figure out how to put those on? Well, easiest thing I have found is to take a T-square, adjustable T-square, and just mark it so about 1 inch down, and then take a black pen and mark the spots where it goes. Try not to put a mark on your measurement part or you're kind of ruin your ruler. Just put it on the sides, right where they're going to go, and then stick it up here and put your screw right where your black mark is. You put your screw. You're already lined up for your second one. You come down here, find your black mark, and put your screw right there. That way they're in line. And then you'll find out it's no problem at all. Just that easy.